समिट ऑन सस्टेनेबिलिटी 2024। ऊर्जा संघ IIT मद्रास और पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल इंडिया ने समिट ऑन सस्टेनेबिलिटी में प्रभावी नेताओं के साथ सहयोग। ऊर्जा संघ, IIT मद्रास और पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल इंडिया द्वारा आयोजित सस्टेनेबिलिटी समिट 2024 ने जलवायु कार्रवाई और सतत विकास के लिए भारत की प्रतिबद्धता को रेखांकित किया। इस कार्यक्रम में विभिन्न क्षेत्रों के नेताओं ने एक साथ आकर पेरिस समझौते, संयुक्त राष्ट्र के सतत विकास लक्ष्यों SDG और भारत के स्वयं के सस्टेनेबिलिटी लक्ष्यों के
I believe sustainability is all about collaboration, conversation and change. We are here together with people from across the industry meeting us. There's industry, there's academia, there are researchers, there are warriors, there are startups. At the Summit on Sustainability, all have come together for just one cause. Work together, help each other, work on sustainable solutions and make sustainability a reality. हम हमेशा सिर्फ पानी बचाओ, कचरा कम करो की बातें करते हैं। यहाँ पे हम सब एक्चुअली इकट्ठे हुए हैं अलग अलग इंडस्ट्री से, एक का कचरा दूसरे को देकर उसको पैसा बनाने के लिए। एंड ऐसे बहुत एडिशंस होने वाले हैं। हम बहुत खुश हैं कि हमारा कोलैबोरेशन है विद IIT मद्रास। आगे आगे हम और भी IITs के साथ कोलैबोरेट करेंगे। वेरी हैप्पी जो हमारे पार्टनर्स हैं, वी हैव सम ब्रिलियंट पार्टनर्स। वेरी हैप्पी फॉर ऑल आर सपोर्टिंग पार्टनर्स फ्रॉम द इवेंट एंड द टेक इंडस्ट्री विच इंक्लूड्स म्यूचुअल PR, वाइबल सॉफ्ट सॉल्यूशंस एज वेल एज एफिक्स सेंटर। वी रियली लुक फॉरवर्ड फॉर एवरीबडीज़ पार्टिसिपेशन। आइए ट्रू चेंज के साथ हम काम करते हैं और सिर्फ बातें नहीं, एक्चुअल इम्पैक्ट करते हैं। बहुत सारे लोग ऑलरेडी साथ में जुड़ चुके हैं, साथ में काम कर रहे हैं। IGBC ने काम शुरू किया है इंडियन पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल एसोसिएशन के साथ, फील गुड नर्चर के साथ, ताकि प्लास्टिक से, वेस्ट प्लास्टिक से बनी हुई टाइल्स यूज़ कर सके। थ्रू आवर इवेंट दे हैव स्टार्टेड दिस एंगेजमेंट। हमारे इवेंट के थ्रू ये भी हुआ है कि माइक्रो फाइनेंस कंपनीज हैव बीन एबल टू रेज फाइनेंस फॉर सोशल कॉजेज़, फॉर सोशल एम्पावरमेंट ऑफ रूरल कम्युनिटीज़। हम होप कर रहे हैं ऐसे और इवेंट्स हों जहाँ पे रियल एंगेजमेंट होए। हमारा नेक्स्ट मोटिव इज़ टू गो टू द विलेजेस, वर्क टुगेदर, वर्क ऑन रूरल डेवलपमेंट फॉर एन अर्बन फ्यूचर। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you.
Hi, this is Nikhil Thambe. I'm the CEO for the Energy Consortium at IIT Madras. We are hosting the Sustainability Summit with the Pollution Control India today. Our objective is to be able to bring together industry, academia, civil society and all other partners together to explain what are some of the relevant examples where we have actually seen success, what is the social impact we can create, and most importantly, how we can all work together on all the sustainable development goals simultaneously. So looking forward to the day. Thank you very much.
Do I need to hold it या मैं ऐसे बात करूँ?
Yes.
ठीक है. Hi, I'm Amit Shahani, the founder of eWait. At eWait, we provide financing solutions for commercial vehicles with greener fuels like CNG vehicles, hybrid vehicles and electric vehicles. Sustainability Summit on Sustainability has been a great place where we could meet people from all walks of life. I think taking the pledge along with everybody out here was very impactful. It had a moving effect, and I think that's something that I'll take back in my heart from this event. It's also a place where I could meet a lot of people from other financing backgrounds as well as academia and various other profiles, and that's something that is very useful going forward.
Myself Ganesh Chari. I am a founder and MD of Neshajo Envirotech, Bangalore. So I have been part of Pollution Control India for last 4+ years as a part of webinars. This summit has been very beneficial because it is a common platform for industries, industrialists, social entrepreneurs and public as a whole, where having this bridging between all the people and all the stakeholders become more impactful when we create any solution and look at sustainability and climate change as a whole. So definitely this kind of sustainability summits will help to bridge the gap between the innovations and social impacts.
30 seconds.
Right. Yeah, my name is Sanjay Mahajani. I am heading Green Energy and Sustainability Hub at IIT Bombay. I am connected to this event because I was called for the panel discussion here on how to empower sustainability initiatives. And the benefit of being here is to get connected with many people who are working in the same space and jointly collaborate with them towards achieving the goals to make the life more sustainable. Thanks.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Rashwa Parihar and I run something called the Improving Lives Foundation. We focus on building sustainability in rural India, and building rural sustainability is, I think, the key to creating a lasting sustainable change for an economy like ours, which is primarily fueled from its rural populations. In terms of why I think this Sustainability Summit is really important, I think that oftentimes we speak about sustainability in silos. Academia talks about sustainability on its own, industry talks about it on its own, and impact talks about it on its own. What a summit like this does is really brings together different stakeholder actors and allows us to cross-pollinate these ideas, and that is really key to creating and sustaining change. So I hope that we are able to do much more with this, and I think with IIT Madras and with Himakshi and pollution control, I'm sure that there will be many more summits where we can create and drive action.
Continue.
Hello, I'm Smita. I'm co-founder and CEO of Rangde. Rangde is a social investing platform that enables artisans, rural entrepreneurs and farmers to get access to really low-cost credit. The reason why I'm here is sustainability is very close to our hearts. A lot of projects that we fund are in the intersection of sustainability and livelihoods. And from the summit, I hope that more collaboration comes through, because collaboration is really the key to sustainability and solving some of these problems around livelihood, access to finance, and of course ensuring there's net zero emissions. So really excited and looking forward to the rest of the day.
Yes, continue.
So hi, I am Anuj Gupta, co-founder of D2O Learning. So I would like to thanks to Pollution Control India and the Consortium of Energy's IIT Madras team to organizing this summit on sustainability in Mumbai. So this summit is going to be very fruitful for all the people who are working in the sustainability domain, as well as who are aspiring to do sustainability work in this area. Because the future is all about sustainability, and today if we are not taking action today, we cannot save our future, we cannot work on the sustainable development goals. So we have to work together. So the objective of this summit is to aware people what is going on, what is the future trend, and I wish whoever people are joining today, they will learn a lot of things from all the speakers and the panelists. So thank you so much, and look forward to see you in the future.
Thank you.
I'm Ashish Jain, founder director Indian Pollution Control Association, and it's a privilege to be part of Summit of Sustainability. This is a very new, good initiative to bring all the stakeholders under one roof to discuss the importance of sustainability, and this conference I'm seeing filling the gaps where I'm seeing a lot of academicians, researchers, industrialists, and the consumers. So a lot of things going to be discussed in today's conference. What is the sustainability need of an hour? What kind of actions are needed in today's world to save our environment and to bring bright futures to our coming generations. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Satvik, co-founder of Maritime Sustainables. I've been associated through Maritime Sustainables with this event since quite a few months, and we've been working on how to make this event carbon neutral in itself and to promote sustainability as a theme for corporates and institutions. And I really feel that this event is a landmark in itself, because the conversations that are happening over here are leading the change. Thank you.
Okay. Right. Tell me when to start.
Yes.
Yeah. Hi, I am E. Nandakumar, the CEO of the International Center for Clean Water, an initiative of IIT Madras.
The center is a non-profit organization. We are knowledge partners for this summit. The summit itself is very comprehensive. It talks about how do we make our whole world sustainable. We are trying to see how we can balance both economy and ecology. It need not be in conflict. We are finding innovative ways by which we can save both the ecology and the economy and the planet. Is there anything more I need to say? Thank you.
Introduce yourself.
Sure. Let me know when to start. Hi, I'm Arjav Pandya. I'm working with HPCL in corporate strategy, planning and business development, petrochemical marketing, since 17 plus years of work experience. So this Sustainability Summit is actually a whistleblower in a sense, a good platform for corporates like us who are actually giving us signals in terms of how we bring all circular economy, all like-minded people put together in a same platform. And that's why I'm here. And I think so there's a very good step in a sense to bring all like-minded people at the same platform and to enhance our all whistleblowing towards the signaling theory of sustainability, circular economy. And I'm coming from a plastic background, so I'm also looking for how plastic recycling will play an important role in place of sustainability. Thank you. Thank you.
Second 1 minute more. Do introduce yourself. Yes, continue.
Hello, my name is Ulhas Parlikar. I represent MRAI. I am on their board. And basically, MRAI is an organization which promotes recycling as its initiative contributing to the cause of circular economy. This summit, I believe, is adding a huge value to the understanding of sustainability to the entire stakeholder community, and a lot of challenges which are there are being thrown open. It will be a good value addition to the entire journey of reaching net zero. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Krishna Priya and I am the co-founder of an organization called Spreco Recycling. So we are into waste management and we primarily focus on municipal solid waste handling, and we are based out of Chennai. So we are a part of the summit as I'm one of the speakers over here, and we got introduced to the summit because of the mission that they have in terms of sustainability and how they want this to be established as an industry status, where there needs to be a lot of sustainability initiatives that has to go. And because of this event, I see that there's going to be a lot of cross-industry collaborations, and there's going to be a lot of impact because of this program. And I look forward to many more positive collaborations as part of this event. Thank you.